think they expected. I know we didn't expect for Trevor Bayne to come into this race 12th in the championship. Here's a team with high expectations for the day. Penske Racing with Joey Logano behind the wheel of this 22. Joey, the most recent Nationwide Series race winner here at Charlotte. Won for Joe Gibbs last October. Led the most laps at Talladega. Came within a skosh of winning. Brad Keselowski won at Richmond aboard the 22.
Yeah, certainly a driver indeed that we'll watch today to be up there in the mix to try to stop Kyle Busch's dominance and anyone else in that Joe Gibbs camp.
Joey now all of 23 years old. Man, got a handful
to get out of bed this morning at that age.
I'm telling you. Well, the big bobble there on the second lap took a little bit of speed away.
Pretty good lap, but still not fast enough to beat Brian Scott.
So Joey Logano is in the number 2 position to the 2 car with the 22. But he was driving the 20 last October when he scored the victory. A very hard-fought race that one last October was, with the Logano pulling away from Kevin Harvick late to score the win. Remember, Keselowski was driving the 22 that day, and they tried a fuel-only last pit stop, and they didn't quite get enough fuel in it. Brad ran out of fuel. He was among that 3-car race for the win. Came up a few laps short.
Drivers who had a lot of Cup practice this morning and now obviously nationwide qualifying. How much has the track changed as it's heated up? It's definitely gotten warmer out here.
This track's one of the most sensitive tracks we go to as far as how much the track changes with heat. And it felt like 22 cars a little free there, but you know, I think we'll be right in the race. The car was pretty good in practice. I felt confident in it that the discount tire Ford can win today. So we'll keep pushing. We got to beat this guy first. So.
I think everyone has to beat the 54 team. Obviously, Kyle Busch very good at this racetrack.